When we say Tagaytay City, we often think of it as a place for vacations and excursions. But what many people do not know is that Tagaytay holds a deep connection to the valiant Battle of Bataan in 1942, where many Filipinos and Americans gave their lives. There is a historical landmark in the city, unnoticed by most and unknown to many. It is a marker that immortalizes the memory of the thousands of Filipino and American soldiers who died in the Battle of Bataan. This site was once the deployment area of the 41st Division of the Philippine Army, also known as the United States Army Forces in the Far East. This army division also stood resolute and fought with unwavering courage in the final, desperate stand against the Japanese on April 9, 1942. Together with the students of Brightways Academy, we visited the marker.
Ito po ay yung 41st 11 Airborne ng USAPI. Lahat po ng naging matatandang kwan. Anyan po, nakasulat po lahat yan. Ayan po, lahat po yan, nakasulat po dito, lahat po yan sa pader, lahat po na nandito.
Bakit po may mga bulaklak?
Ay nagkuhan po, nung anniversary po yung kwan, yung araw po ng kagitingan. Dito po sila pumunta yung mga pampo dito.
We brought cleaning materials so we could help the barangay. Assisted by barangay officials, we were told how young trespassers and vandals had defaced the historical marker.
Totally po, wala pa po tayong fence dyan po sa harap. Tapos bukas pa po yun. Kaya totally po kuminsan napapasok po ng mga yung taga-ibang lugar. Dati po kasi may natutulog po dito ng mga reservists na Marines.
Kailan po?
Matagal na po, kaya lang pinapull up po yata ang mga reservists. Ito po yung kanilang opisina dati. Opisina ng reservists.
Parang nakita po namin mga wala na yung mga tanso, yung mga copper.
Opo nga.
Talagang
po, yun ang nahirap po dito, yung mga kuminsan nawawala yung kan kasi sa mga dayo. Kalimitan po namin na encounter dito pag nahuli namin ay taga Dasma.
Taga Dasma?
Opo, sa taga-area po. Minsan po ay galing Area C, Area F, Area G, Area
So may
H.
mga nahuhuli kayo?
O meron po.
With each piece of debris we collected, our hearts were shaken by the thought that people could show such disrespect to a hallowed ground.
Totally, ito po ay dati may nahuli po kami ditong mga nagdadrugs. Yung mga nagsisinghot po ng solvent. Dito po namin nahuli yun, mga 7 kabataan po dyan nahuli namin dyan.
Kaya mahalaga pong may tao na iikutan.
Ito kaya po, tuwing isang linggo, may iniikot po ito ng mga reservists. Iniikutan po ito. Kuminsan po, kami po mga tanod, panggabi po, iniikutan po namin.
The division was stationed in Tagaytay to anticipate and defend against the expected Japanese invasion from Batangas. However, the invasion took place instead in another location, Mauban, Tayabas, on December 22, 1941. From there, the 41st Division made a crucial retreat to Bataan, where they would make their final stand against the Japanese on April 9, 1942. Kung anong tawag sa nakikita niyong ito? This is what you call a relief art. So, itong veterans, memorial place na to is dito daw nag-paratroop or parachute yung mga sundalong Amerikano at Pilipino noong World War II. Sino dito ang nakakaalam ng Bataan Death March?
Pinag-aralan po namin yun sa AP. Yung Bataan Death March, very mahaba po siya, tapos tiring. Parang wala pong water, ganun yung mga Pilipino.
Prisoners of war sila, combination yun ng mga Pilipino at Amerikano. So may mga pagkakataon na naglalakad, sobrang uhaw, bugbog sarado na sila. So imagine yung from Bataan to Pampanga kung gaano kahaba yun.
Kasi pagka nagbabandal dyan, kasi hindi naman na kami totally nakaka-focus. Ang ginagawa lang namin dito, iniikutan namin every night, yung sa isang araw, iniikutan namin yan. Pag nahuli ho namin yan, may ikaw lang parusa. Maraming salamat. At yung lugar namin na Port Pacific naging malinis at maayos.
Kamusta yung ano nyo?
Kamusta daw?
Diba? At least na pasyalan nyo yung lugar namin. Hirap maglinis. Mainit.
Opo, pero at least nalinisan po na.
Opo. Kasi nakakalungkot pala yung mga dumadayo. Sila yung nagkakalat, sila yung nagsisira doon ng mga basag po yung yung glass nila.
Pero may regular clean-up drive po tayo nun every Monday and Saturday po.
Opo.
Yun nga lang, nasa mid tayo ng week, kaya medyo. Then, nakakatuwa. Salamat kami kasi may katuwang kami
Yes,
na
sir.
maglinis ng 41st Division. And syempre, nakakatuwa yung programa nyo sa mga murang edad nila na pupuntahan nila yung mga historical places natin. At the same time, nakakatulong sila sa community sa paglilinis ng ating lugar. Kaya maraming salamat.
As incidents of vandalism rise, so too does the fading of discipline among the younger generations. It is important to remind both children and adults that this kind of behavior is not only wrong, but deeply painful to the memory of those who sacrificed their lives. If we cannot preserve the dignity of places like this, we risk forgetting the very heroes who gave us the freedom we enjoy today. And when their memory is erased by neglect and disrespect, it is as though they have died a second time. This time, not at the hands of an enemy, but at the hands of our own indifference.